How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet easily. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to transfer the USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet, there are certain processes you need to follow. One of them is just open the applications, and after opening the application of Bybit onto your device, you just need to simply tap on Assets. After going to Assets, you just need to simply tap on Withdraw. You can see Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, Convert option. In order to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet, you need to tap on Withdraw. After that, you just need to select your preferred pair. I'm just gonna type in USDT. Just type in USDT, and here after that you need a page appears where you need to enter your address and network and amount. You need to enter the address and network from the Trust Wallet app. For that, just open up Trust Wallet and search for USDT on your search bar. After that, tap on any of the USDT chain that you want to pair the withdrawal process with, and there you will be receiving a QR code and a code below the QR code. So just copy and paste the network and amount here. After that, just go on with the withdrawal process, and that's how you basically transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.